Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be doing a quick review on my handbag and what's inside of it. I really like to watch such videos. It gives me an idea of what I can carry in my bag to make my life easier. If you're new here, hi, my name is Niti and I make YouTube videos on lifestyle, fashion and beauty. If you like to watch such videos, please subscribe here, and if you end up liking this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. That would be so motivating and amazing. Without further ado, let's get back to the video. The handbag that I have been using is the Neverfull bag from Louis Vuitton in MM size. I got this bag a year ago and since then I have been using this bag every other day. I don't have many handbags, but I do like to switch it up once in a while, and this is the bag that I have been loving recently and carrying it everywhere. This bag comes in 3 sizes. There is GM, that is the largest. There is PM, that is the smallest. And then there is this size that is in between. This is MM. I think this is the perfect size for me for everyday use. The largest size GM is for people who like to carry a lot of stuff and who travels a lot. And the size that is smallest, that is also known as PM, that is for people who don't like to carry a lot of stuff and just need it for day-to-day use. But on the other hand, this size is perfect for the traveling, or if you like to carry a lot of stuff like me on day-to-day basis, this is a perfect bag. This size, I would say, is the most versatile size of all the 3 sizes. And this bag also comes in 3 prints. The one I have is the Damier Ebene, and there are 2 more prints. One is Damier Azur and one is Monogram. This print, Damier Ebene, is my personal favorite and I think it's quite subtle. You can wear it with any outfit and it looks good with anything. It works well in all the seasons. You don't have to think twice before carrying this bag. So guys, this is how this bag looks like from outside. This bag is made of canvas material, so it is very durable. You can use this bag in any season, even during the rain. So yeah, that's the very good thing about this print. View of the other side. Yes, so that's how it looks. Pretty amazing. This bag does not have a zip, so instead it has this clasp that you can hook together. Yeah, so that's how it looks when it is open. It has a very big pocket with a zip. It's big enough to put a wallet, your phone and other key stuff that you want to put inside and want your things to be safe. This bag comes with a separate pouch. So I like to use this pouch inside the bag too, because I can just connect the bag from here using this clasp. I can just open it up from here and connect it inside. This pouch has all the important stuff like some receipts, some card, cash, whatever I need, and I know it is important. I like to keep it inside this, like my driver's license, everything that is important. And it has its own place because I can just connect it with the clasp inside and with a hook inside, and just it stays at its. The next thing that I like to carry is, in these days, especially during the summer months, I like to carry my sunglasses. Now, these are from Marc Jacobs, and these sunglasses I think I have had for 2 years now, and I have been using them consistently. I have this thing that if I like something, I just use it every day. Like, I overdo it. That's why I don't buy things on impulse. I research like how much I'm going to use it. The next thing that I like to carry is my makeup bag. This pouch that I use for my makeup is from Daiso. It has very pretty mini on it. And in this I have my hand cream, and then I have my AirPods and the sunblock that I swear by. I have had so many issues with sunblocks over the years that some sunblocks will cast white cast on your face. That is very annoying. Some are very sticky. Some will block your pores and then you will have acne over the period of time. But this sunblock, it's from Biore and it's the Watery Essence Aqua Rich. I really like this sunscreen. And if you happen to find this sunscreen, just get one. It's good, very good. Then I have the hand sanitizer. With 2 children and so much that is going around these days, you need a hand sanitizer. So that's that. Then I have some makeup bits that I like to carry almost in all my bags and everywhere. My trusted lipstick, my lip balm, and a mascara. Since I have started my YouTube channel, I have been into journals or some kind of planners so that I can just write my ideas. Then I have the much needed this diaper bag kit for my younger one. She's just a year old, so what I have inside, I'll just quickly show you. Most of the times I just keep this diaper kit ready so that whenever I know I'll be outside for a good 2-3 hours, I'll just take this along with me. So yeah, so I just have 2 diapers in it, some wet wipes, I have a change of clothes for her, and some alcohol wipes, a sunscreen, very important with both of them. Running around all the time in the sun, I have to have a sunscreen. And then this sanitizer that is for children. Whenever my elder one is using a washroom or they just want to eat something outside, I have to make sure that their hands are sanitized. That's the least we can do in these times. So that's what I like to do. Yeah, that's about it. With 2 children, I like to carry some snacks so that their tantrums are at bay. So for my younger one, I just carry some yogurt or some juice. And I like to carry some baby food for her, because if I'm not breastfeeding her outside, I'll give her some baby food. And for that, I have a thermos that has hot water in it. So I just mix this in with the baby food. I have to buy water outside and it's very cold, the temperature of the water. I can just mix them, and that makes it good for my children to drink, for my elder one especially, and for myself, because for some reason I get throat infection very easily. So I like to keep the temperature of the water that I'm drinking at room temperature. I don't like to drink very cold water. Last but not the least, I have to carry my keys and my phone. It's the 4-key ring holder from Louis Vuitton. Now, what should I tell you about this piece? If you want to start your luxury collection, I think this is the first piece you should buy, because it's not very expensive and at the same time you can get a lot of use out of it. I have been loving this piece for around 4 to 5 years. I bought this piece 4 to 5 years ago and I have been loving it since then, carrying it everywhere, every day. And this way my keys are at one place, I don't lose them, and the keys don't scratch the inside of my bag. It doesn't have to be a Louis Vuitton key holder. You can buy any key holder. That's pretty much it, what I like to carry in my bag. If you have any questions regarding this bag or anything to share, do comment in the comment section below. Would love to hear from you and would like to know what all you carry. Thank you so much for stopping by. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.